Really I go on a dancehall? No, what really I go on a dancehall? Come here, all one next one now, I sing say, him come in a cup and then girl drink it. What your name? Alkaline, Slime.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them like?
People who are going to don't know one Media Fox money up, you know. Yeah, man. People. You come like say, yo, if you don't call Alkaline name, you're not nobody. May I tell you that? You see me? Me don't know who send Roman Red Bull. You see what I try to say? Me don't know who. You come like you two man them with the Roman Red Bull to bomb, but I don't know what Alka do them. You understand? This a man you forward out. A chat a bag of man. Me don't know who send. It look like he made those click clean and he just start call one artist where me don't run with Fambo. But you must say still.
Really I go on a dancehall? No, really I go on a dancehall? Come here, all one next one now, I sing say, him come in a cup and then girl drink it. What your name? Alkaline, Slime, Alkaline, can't find, wait, mama, how they eat?
People, you know what funniest thing? Me I go play a video and me couldn't see what go on. You can know say them head no right. You understand? But you don't know everybody have to call Alkaline name. You see me? But me just show you how the dancers, remember you know people, Alkaline say yo, him love when people call him name. Yeah man, him say him love. Remember that ER interview there? Him say him love when people call him name. Yeah man, if nobody not call him name, man, you know nobody. You see me? Yeah man, but listen where Fambo say, cause you look like you head chip.
Alien boy I come from. Big and ugly, man craft brother. I told them ugly. Me can't stand them and them nasty. Them not sing nothing good about woman. Where you come from? You have no mother, you have no sister, you have no daughter, you have nothing about you know. Soon come for you man, too, man. Take me $8,000. Vice white guy. I'll know when you give out the money. It's cool man. You go on man. Left you to God, you know. The man not bigger than God.
People, I wonder if him taking medication this morning or what? It look like him never miss out the medication cause me don't know how I go on chipping him head. You understand? But you don't know people are just Alkaline that. You see me? I just dancehall me in danger. Like I'm most relevant dancehall artist right now. May I tell you? For sure you like me see enough artists when not in the media nobody not see them. And people don't give a soul about them, not even remember them name. And Alkaline, not in the media, none at all, you know. The only time you see them Monday, you them do a music video or you might go do a show. You understand? That's it. You see me? But film name always a call. You see me? Come I tell you say, you know, it's a dancehall force, you know, Alkaline, you know. Yeah man, may I tell you that.
Left you to God, me I call none. Tell them $8,000. Me get the money. Yeah, tell them $8,000. Don't vice it down, nothing. I still sit down. We did rich. And can't give back me the man money.
People, who this a dance? Remember you know? Him say Alka Simbo come in a cup. Who this a people? Who this a dance? To girl good. Listen what I go on. People, I love when them expose themselves. May I tell you that? I love when them expose themselves. May I tell you? You see the bag of drinking? Yeah man, you put your brain in one place where you know figure. And you just fall upon the internet and just flap yourself. You see what I try to say? Look on the man where I and they dance to song. I dance with Kiva. Listen what I go on people. People, no singing man, I sing a while ago. Listen you now.
Future Fambo.
It's so many try to people. Sometimes it's so people that be there for just laugh, you know. This is what I thought about like say I first in my hear the song I'm there dance this song. But you don't know my virgin say God no I go beat him. You understand? Yeah, man. Foot in them neck, my G.
I never Alkaline tell if you dash your career for coke, you know. I never Alkaline do it, you know. When you get the opportunity to make better yourself, you know, you dash it away for coke, you know. I never Alkaline tell you say don't structure your thing, you know. I never Alkaline tell you say if you dash with music I go turn dancer, you know. I never Alkaline tell you if you go turn gigolo, you know. I know Alkaline mash up your career, you know. And you do it.
Yeah, only him. Only him do it. If your man will get such a big song, Rum and Red Bull, I only Beanie Man me see a benefit of it. Me see Beanie Man a sing it, all of them things. Me not see him dep on the show. You understand? Nobody now book him because he mash up him own career. You see me? Jugs out, rum out, all of them little things. They mash up his whole career. You see me? Rum and Red Bull should not go and keep him and get some bookings, but I say it going on. You see, more while when you not focus on yourself and focus on other people, especially other people who are do great in them career, yeah man, and them thing they end up happen. You see it?
And you do it. We notice from what you're on a trolling thing because you want the attention. Well, the artist now gonna answer you. But vlogger like me will. Vlogger like me will. You understand? I'm hate when only like a dinosaur in the business, right? Where I try to do the gatekeeping in the business. Me hate you know. In a reality, me hate you know because I know the big corruption in the music. Alkaline teacher.
People want to not hear that video, you know. And the reason why I'm play it is because I don't know what's wrong with them elder and artists in elder and the game. It's like, but I don't know the man him that. The man him can't just focus on himself. It's like Alkaline just do him own a thing and them man just. It's like the man them just can't focus on him own career, my G. It's like Alkaline just do him thing and them want control him and tell him what to do. You understand? And when them are this Alkaline, you know, none of them now forward out and say, yo, love youth. But as a youth say something, the whole of them forward out, yo, look at youth, yeah, disrespect, way. That's how they move. You understand? So people for just diss up Alkaline, and Alkaline not for say nothing. But when Alkaline retaliate, all when them diss Alkaline 99 times, one time Alkaline answer is a big problem. But me I show you a video, that's why I try to show you how them LINI game operate. You see me?
Music. Alkaline teacher would need to link up and do something together. I make these get better me than. That's what you need to do. Link up and do something together. You two in Alkaline, you need to give the man him flowers. And you know you follow him thing. Give the man him flowers.
You may talk about people. Wanna listen? So him say Alkaline something for link up, right? Him now call out. Remember you know, give flowers. Me no know of cartel boss Alkaline. Alkaline boss by himself. So Alkaline obligated if he give Ice Cartel flowers, me G. Me telling about uno elders, you know, it's like you don't want the youth them bow down to uno feet. Alkaline don't forward out and say him respect heavy artists before him. I don't know what else you no want. You understand? Yes, Cartel for give Bounty Killer flowers because I am carry him to the forefront. You understand? Based on stage and make the people them know him. Vice Cartel never do that to Alkaline. You see what me I try to say? So, Alkaline obligated for give nobody no flowers, me G. The man say him respect every artist. You understand? Him say him respect Vybz Kartel like any other artist. You see me? And it become a problem. If somebody stand up front of you and me respect them two bridging there and you forward and you know I do the thing before me, see? And me say, yo, me respect you like them two man. You understand? Nothing wrong with that. Everybody I get them respect. But it's like them want youths them bow down and give special respect. I guess that special respect. You understand? Like say, yo, nobody more than nobody. You see what I try to say? A music everybody I do, everybody I put out music. Some don't know what this flowers thing for use man, this and that. Brother, fool no mentality back in ideas. You don't want people for bow down to no brother and go up on every platform and say, yo, big up this, big up that. You see what I try to say? And when you check it, who not do it, Like how the youth them a do it. You see me?
So the man can give you pin flowers. And stop the whole for eyes something done. Channel star. We need this new music to go to the gold and platinum settings, me done. This carbon bar syndrome, you not gonna reach nowhere, me done. Job.
So yeah, tell me, say, Alkaline gain Vice Cartel flowers. I gonna make them sell platinum? Me not understand this. What you mean by platinum? Look how much big collaboration go on a dancehall with even international artists. How much of them really go platinum or whatsoever? You understand the whole platinum them women know as Shaggy and Sean Paul. You see me? When we know in a dancehall space, me don't know if no others something the way other artists in a dancehall really a bagger platinum like them and there. You see me? So me don't know. Vice Cartel and Alkaline link up, although we know them now go do that. That now go change the splice of bread, remember? That now go analyze when the man them link, oh, a bag of platinum and same time platinum got me G. You understand? Everybody can own them own and hold them own in me G. Cartel over there so, Alkaline over there so. You see me? We don't know who wanna get them mentality them G. You see me? Cartel and enough artists fall out. He might move out that link back. Wait I do. Them not getting no platinum nothing. So I don't know what the difference. You see me? And yeah, I say Alkaline a hype. I say hype. How about this, man? Sometimes if you just focus on the career, dog, allow youth them.
Show me which artist, despite all the African artists, them have them different. Show me which one of them a shoot off each other like how we a shoot off each other. And look at the African music. Look how it sell gold and platinum. Why we can't sell gold and platinum to us in some type of music where the
Cause we not support the music like them. You understand? We just a small share out of the thing. And brother, it's not dancehall artists alone fight down or have back and forth. They have that in African artists are the same thing. Them have them difference. Them have, you understand? In a, what you call it? In a USA are the same thing, brother. You have beef. In every genre you have beef, my G. You just true maybe 1 or 2 o'clock into them beef there. You understand? It's there everywhere, my G. You see me? But that's how it go. Alkaline is a man of dancehall. We not for just call him name. You see me? But people, they just show the clip for show you the mentality or mentally some of them elder stay. You see it? But me see a brother run out. You see me? But people, what with me not see the woman them a forward out and a worry themselves like them money and Alkaline. Yo, them money want in an Alkaline private life. Like, bro, we don't want to see artists do no put out music and have stage shows and all of them something there. When since you don't want get in a man house and private life and want get in a man private life and then bed lifestyle and which girl this and which girl that. We don't know the artist as no as an artist. I don't understand these people. I see the argument from within and I say, yo, I saw them money penetrate by my dad. I couldn't have them mentality there, brother, with me. I have man per mind and I say, yo, oh, me not see man with no girl and bro, when I feel like say everybody life and them little thing they go out them G. You understand? Not because some man name call upon something the brother and rare means yeah every artist name go call upon it, my G. You see me? Bro, we not pre some fishy ways, dog. Me I tell you no, my G. Worry about some woman, dog. You see me? Worry about some woman, my G. You know look good.
Lord Master. The data boss. Alkaline. Channel star. Come here, man. As a youth, a lot of people respect star and a lot of girls respect you in a brethren. You have a fan base where, you know, big, huge. You see me? But we all know them things in the music where we have to look upon. Alka, watch this now. You see in the music, you name Africa upon some girl runnings, you know, gangster runnings and, you know, me I say certain things you name Africa upon when you're in the music. See? Either you buy pie gay, some people run so, you know them look a type of something there. You name Africa upon something in the music.
People, why may I tell it to right it? Dog, people, dancehall is a crazy world. The man just a say, as an artist, your name of a call pan pie, me no matter about guns and this and that and yo, dog, a them thing you don't want the artist name call pan me G. Eh? So what you want? You know what? Cause we see a lot of artists, female forward out and say artists, them sit down in artists' face, artists love this, run her back, all of them little things there. So at that you know want girl fi forward out and say about Alkaline, at them thing they don't want me G. Yo, me no know any dog. We not crazy world, me I tell you. Yeah man.
See? But over the years, where me know you in a music, brethren. You know, you don't hear one girl say, I deal with Alkaline, and me Alkaline and Ray, and then did I hear a next piece of story say, Alkaline ram the girl and even look on her back again, and you know them type of something there on social media, man, say, blood clot Alkaline one time girl that, you know. So she not patiently, she just lose everything. You know them type of something that we not see them something there. See? Kerry, your brother now have no baby mother, your brother now no woman a car. Kerry, me don't want disrespect you, you know. Because he use that thing and keep it in the family, you know. I don't know what that mean, you know.
I think them say that brother yeah something like famous face or something like some people. But people, why Alkaline private life? A man, the man them worry about a man, me G. Wanna see the mentality of them man, yeah? Bro, you don't have a family, you don't have kids, or you don't have a wife. Oh, now worry about what Alkaline I do. You understand? Suppose Alkaline, the girl them we him have, not still like some of the girl them we forward out and just disrespect the artists them are. Suppose him have them type of girl. First of all, how much dancehall artists in the game right now when no girl never yet come out and talk to them do this with them and Ray? How much people? Look how much dancehall artists in the game. Them where you not see with no woman. Seeing and you never hear a woman forward out and call out them name. That's why I try to show you people. Everybody want an Alkaline business. I tell you, everybody. You see me? The way the man want know a man business. The man them say, yo, him name no call up say about buying pie and the girl no fi forward out and say him do this and eat this and ray. Yo, dog, I tell you, say, yo, people that were like crazy, I tell you.
You understand me? But DJ, the people them want to see you with a woman, and you know what I mean? Come on, my youth, you take picture with a woman, you stand up, like you distance yourself and certain type of virgin. Alka. Them say the people them wear them big type of virgin. Alka. But make the people them see you with a woman in the media, virgin. You see me? And stop make them, you know what I say? Virgin. If you're in a music business, somebody must go and see you with a woman. And say, you know, Alka fuck the girl, Alka ray. But from your boss, and the body was something. You take Merc and hide out for 6 years straight, then you come do new rules. Alka, is it something what we don't know about? Are you the next Frankie Paul?
The man say Alkaline, for sure, you know. Them forward pan the media and chat back up madness, you know. So the man say Alkaline idol for 6 years. When Alkaline was people? Number around 2013, so. Zane? And 14 and 15, around them time there. And when was New Rules? Right? Alright, same boss 2013. All one of 2013 it may be cut out of the scene, right? We know one of 2013. But say at 2013 to 2017, which was his first New Rules. Now 4 years that. So how him feel missing for 6 years? Eh? Tell me now people, 6 years would be 2019, my G? No, it's not 2017 it keeps, so him missing for 6 years. Yo dog, me I tell my brother, I wanna invest in the time I worry about a next man private life, my G. Bro, now a big man, you know. And on the day I worry about a next man and girl, you know, my G. If a man live a foreign, and the man a do him thing out there. So no want, yo, me tell you about this loving people business, you know. Zane, you no want Alkaline for forward out with a girl and brandish him life and ray. And then you know what people? Them see him and go criticize. Them a go bring up the B-wash, all of them little thing, the other girl they bagga thing. But you know what? Alkaline smart. You see, more him keep himself isolated and keep him life private, and more them talk about him. You understand? And more them talk about him. Can you look, you know? They maybe want him forward out to them woman them like some other artists. You see me? Yeah, and just dip on the internet like some meme and all of them little thing there. And by you tell us, say, yo, him nah gal out and party out him thing. You see me? My focus on him career and all of them little thing there. You see me? Remember, you know, we don't know Alkaline because a girl or in no drama and a rare. We know Alkaline because the music same like every other artist. So I don't know when since the artist have it. Me nah so nah ask the other artists them when I do it, you know. If you fall out with them girl and Ray, you know. Video show and say dog when you really want to see Alkaline private life, dog. Me I tell, and especially the man them come nah you the woman them a fall out, brother. And I say them thing, and especially Uno. Nobody nah ask about yo re. Only somebody when I rate Alkaline. I will use them type of argument there and try style the thing. But I say go more on talk about dog, I'm going to get powerful. Me I tell you no my G, when I worry about the wrong thing.
In dancehall. Mind you, the next Frankie Paul, we don't know, when I watch it, you know. We even not look on it, though. You know what I'm saying? Be careful, DJ. Cause your name not call good star. It's supposed to call official, but people have questions, star. Alka, sort it out, Alka, cause some people were, you know, star. And some girl when me see, I say, wait. Cause girl good a bad song, you know. But mix it up, come in at the cup and mix it and she drink it with ice and ray. What a nasty pussy would like you. You know nothing to say, bumbo. Come on, why people them that nasty, Alka. You can't sing about girl and you know. Why? Remember Frankie Paul, he sing about Sarah. Oh God, me no want going out. You don't leave me alone here. Alka, the people them say no woman, they want to see how that girl stay. Come out now, man. Show the people them say you have girl and them thing the bread shit. See? Cocky a drop in a girl will star. But people, when I help me start out the one you hear, sir.
Yo, people. Yo, me I tell you about them money, bro. I tell you about them money, my G. Before the man them go find 2 girl, a man say 1,000 girl in a rotation as a girl then. Them money I want to see Alkaline bedroom to bomba life or some girl we forward out and people look how much a girl forward out and diss up artists. Say them love backdoor, say them a try hold them down, I try do this to them, I beat them and all of them. A them thing I know want girl we forward out with. Look how much a artist in a dancehall when you not see them woman. You understand? When you not see them woman. But them now worry you know. Alka. And I bet say if Alkaline forward out with a catty or something. You see him one. I got use the opportunity to bring him down. Yeah man, but you don't know. That's how it go. You see me? They go call Alkaline every day, but him not call your name, my G. Me I tell you now, not worry about the wrong thing, my G. You see me? Yeah man. Alkaline could have a couple girl well in my room right now. I'm not dep on the media I cash out. You see me? Yeah man. No worry about getting the money up, my G. You see it? Yeah man. But people, big up on yourself, you know, and you don't know one media facts pan up. Yeah man, that is it.